Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about mindful eating and how it can transform our relationship with food. Mindful eating is the practice of paying attention to the sensory aspects of our food, chewing slowly, and enjoying the present moment. This not only enhances our overall eating experience, but also helps us make healthier choices and maintain a balanced diet. So, why is mindful eating so important? Here are 3 pros to consider. 1. Improve digestion by focusing on the taste, texture, and aroma of food. We take the time to properly chew and digest each bite, which helps our digestive system function optimally. 2. Weight management. Mindful eating helps us to recognize when we're full, preventing overeating and reducing the likelihood of weight gain or calorie overload. 3. Emotional wellness. By appreciating our food and being present during mealtime, we can reduce stress and anxiety, as well as improve our overall mood and emotional well-being. Now, let's discuss how you can incorporate mindful eating into your daily routine. 1. Set a comfortable seating arrangement. Choose a spot that is free from distractions and allows you to focus on your food. 2. Take slow and thorough chews. Give your food a good soak in your mouth before swallowing, allowing your taste buds to enjoy the flavors and textures. 3. Pay attention to your body. Be aware of how your body feels during and after eating. If you experience fullness, stop eating. 4. Savor the experience. Focus on the present moment, enjoying the food, the company, and your time together. By practicing mindful eating, we can improve our overall health and well-being, while also enjoying the joys of food. So, why not give it a try? Start small, and over time, you'll likely notice a positive change in your relationship with food and your overall health. Thanks for watching, and remember to be mindful when you're eating.